Y'all, we headed to Fish a Creek out by my house, going back in the back 40 of Reinhardt. Me, Sean, and Noah. See if we can go catch a few bass.
Which is better, Ford or Dodge?
Definitely Ford.
That's my eyeball. Yeah, I know I'm out of breath. I can't help it. Me too, man. Wow. Woo! Yep. The things we do just to catch some bass, you know. I get a sticker when I go to the doctor and do good and don't cry when I want to get when I need to get a shot. Man, I like good job stickers. So we made. Jacob got the first cast in. Hold on, no, back up. Look, go up on there and then cast in that little pool. You get used to it after a minute. You had him, huh? Did? Oh, he does got him. Wow. Goggled eye. Hate this rod.
Noah.
It is a big one. What do you mean?
Turn your drag down. Put your drag up.
Ooh. Just had one too. Yeah, they really are. Yesterday they wasn't too bad because it was raining. And yes, guys, I know. Ow. Rick. All right, so on my video of me catching that big fish in that pond, I said if I get 5 to 10 likes on the video, then I'll do a fishing challenge. One of my friends got the 10th like. He called me out on it. And I got to do a fishing challenge now. Set your drag. Put. I thought you had another one. No, push it to the right. Let it click a couple times.
Minus sign on the drag?
Go plus. I don't know then. Oh. I wouldn't go all the way up, was it? But
yeah. I think I got this into it like that.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna do a. He wanted me to do a $20 Walmart fishing challenge. So as soon as I get some money, we'll be doing that. So y'all be looking for that. Man, these mosquitoes are freaking horrible. Aye. Got one.
Chain reaction. You said the hook and I said the hook.
Little goggle eye, guys. Ain't nothing important. I thought I had grabbed. Oh, I did. Look at that, boys. You know what that's for. Oh, man, my back's tore up right now. Oh. Man, dude, itch. Oh yeah. Oh, I got another one. Yep. Oh, I thought we doubled up. Man, dude, these things are chunky. Yeah, dude. Guys, all we're doing is standing in knee-deep water. No, don't do that. Just like reel it. Oh, he got one. He's hooked up. Goggled, huh? he came on. Oh, we. You goggled eye. All the bass must be hunkered down or something. What, no? I don't know. You ever fished on down before? No way.
Yeah, I've run down it before. It's really, really shallow. There's no hole.
Oh, yeah.
Like all the way until it reaches the Bursley. Very few.
Hey, this goes all the way down to the Bursley?
The little Bursley?
Oh. I didn't know that. Okay. That's pretty neat.
All the way to the end.
Rick, dude. Oh, oh, oh. Shit, man. That's a bass. Let's go. Get up here, boy. Chill. Oh, there went my bait. Sweet. Alright, buddy. We're going to even kiss. It's not even one of my good rods. See you later, buddy. Jacob with the rescue. Gotta get used to it, man. You in a creek. You're gonna hear that. Plus, it's in the summer. It's humid. Skiers are gonna be horrible in the woods. Yeah, I didn't bring no. I brought extra pants, shirt, socks. That's it. So you were just out here one day and just decided to cast in this hole? That's basically how it went on.
Well, first I fell down in it, and it was deeper than I didn't look. And then I just went across down.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. Like any bait, any other bite. How what? How what it is? Oh, yeah, I know, they're crazy.
Dude, it's like if you get it right
There's
in
one.
this hole.
Imagine.
Just work it.
Ooh, 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 I had one. Nuh-uh. No. Jacob, we ain't even fished this side, have we?
I don't think so.
No, we didn't. You remember you said it wasn't up but a bunch of brim in it? Well, it had something on it right there. You may be a bass buffet for all you know, man. Got you hung up. Oh, yeah, that's had him too. I'm gonna catch one out this hole. I don't care if I spend the rest of my time out here. Oh, come on. It is brim.
Yeah, still.
Fish is a fish, man.
Ow.
Oh, yeah, they're too big for it.
Oh, amigo, this is ridiculous.
They look at it. Look, they even running with it, dude. Oh, I had him, dude.
I think he just had it by himself. Let's see if I can get him.
I didn't yank hard enough. We need to expose the hook a little bit. I was messing with you. Oh, I had another one, dude. No, they're little brim. Am I still recording? Yeah, okay. Guys, just give me one of them random videos that, you know, I was just trying to do some crazy junk. I just want to show y'all, you know. It's still a video. It's just not gonna be as much cutting out because I'm just staying recording. Don't go too far. No, you're too far. No, we were standing right here. All we did was turn around. Yeah, or you cast on this side too. Goggle eye? Oh, it is? Oh, yeah, it's one of them baby creek ones. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Ow, that's my arm. Thank you. Pull it down.
Dude, my gears are stripped out this year.
Ooh.
Like 10 years old.
Yeah. Come on, bro. Get your pole. Reel up to it. Kind of like if it's underwater. You reel down to it and push. I'm gonna have to, there you go. No, you ain't. You're kind of in our way. Yes, you are. What happened? Oh, you ripped the gear out? Hillbilly hand fishing boat. That ain't good.
Not yet. Oh, look.
Oh, snap.
I'm talking about,
Oh, I had no little baby thing. Take it off, see what's happening. No, you ain't gotta do all that. We'll switch to a baby bass color. Jacob's pole is working again. Oh, it's not? Come on, baby, eat that baby bass. You know you want it. Go use Noah's pole. Jesus, man. Mosquitoes are horrible. I'm gonna get West Nile. Where are you, fishies? Why can't I find you? No, I ain't gonna fish out that little area. I will.
oh, see that?
No, I wasn't looking. Where did you go fishing? Why can't... Do it.
Do it, just lay down. Yeah, you do. I got towels at my house. And if you need, I got some clothes for you at my house too.
Oh, he brought it. Oh,
Oh, I got towels at the house.
Whoa, man, some weird looking mosquitoes. Oh, I got a fish. You got me hung up.
You still got a fish. Oh, yeah.
I don't know how I'm about to get this out. Alright guys, I'm bringing y'all along. I was gonna stop recording, but I figured I'd bring y'all on this adventure with me. Why? What do you mean drink it? We told you to. Oh my God, kid. You don't take care of nobody's junk. Well, it could be a fish snake gonna be curled up in here somewhere. Yeah, my arms are tore up right now. Huh? Oh, I know. I got mine. Yes, victory is ours. To do what? I done told you to. So Jacob says he lost about a 4-pounder right there. He's just sitting down there. He's got a crawfish on it. Oh, I just lost one. Well, finish it off. Where'd you cast by?
I was just letting my bait sit right there.
Maybe it's that bass you saw earlier going to that stuff Thursday evening. I don't know.
That and it might have been.
Probably could have been that too. But still.
Whatever it is, it was big and it
Yeah.
would have been fun to get in.
I caught enough ground the past 2 days to feed the 500. Oh, my bad. I'm supposed to be a preacher. Man, if that's what the Lord wants you to do, have at it.
Whoa! That's not a little bad. Just kidding.
A little half pounder. Dinkerink! He shouldn't have showed his place, huh?
Hey, no, I stole your pole.
I love you.
Dude, look.
Got a nice little color to him. Good dude. A child song. Well, I'm not tired of hearing you say that you want to do it. If you want to do it so bad, you do it. I guess they're not wanting to be cannibals today. Ooh, where's that a bite? What? I mean, you're already half wet. You shouldn't have told me to turn the camera on. Anyway, as I was saying. No. Praise the Lord. Oh, I had a little munchkin.
What do you want?
We got. No, I'm plugging.
What plug in?
Talking about that little portable charger thing. Well, alright guys, we're headed out. We gotta go to my grandma's for a little get together.
And I gotta go out tonight.
Yeah, Jacob's got stuff to do with a girl. So yeah, we're gonna soon, I don't know when, so y'all don't take my word on it, but I am gonna do that $20 fishing challenge. It may be with Jacob, it may be with somebody else, I don't know. Cause I know Jacob may want to do it. Oh wow. Rocks just feel so good to walk on. Yeah, it tickles a little bit. Alright guys, but y'all leave a like, subscribe. I have a little water spot, but anyway. Y'all keep rad reeling, ain't that right, boys? Because if you reel and you suck, then it's horrible. But if you are rad, you know, like rad reeling, you know, let's get it. See you on the next video.
I kinda can't reel because my pole is messed up, so either way.
Get your new fishing pole. Deuces.